Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you from a 28 Boston Whaler Outrage. Really nice boat, been lift kept its whole life, original owner. See the big JL Audio subwoofer. You got the big fish box here. This is the cooler seat that will slide forward. Stainless steel cup holders. There's a cover for this front seat. The full windshield with the vent, the spreader light. You'll see Raymarine, closed dome radar, spotlight, outriggers, JL audio speakers built into the tower, fishing package with the rocket launcher, twin Raymarine, hybrid touch with fish finder and radar, Lenco trim tabs, windlass, control here or there. This is the digital throttle and shift, Mercury Vessel View, stereo remote, and spotlight control. As well as in the overhead box, VHF radio. Wash downs, you've got the jump seats on both sides for trolling. Bilges are nice and clean. These are twin 300 Verados, hours unknown. I don't have the keys with me today. Thanks for checking out this 28 Outrage.